All right. It did what we thought it would do, and gave us that turnaround. I expected it to drop a little bit more. I was looking for the 48, but that's not a bad target right there. So tomorrow we have some inflation news, and that's what we're going to keep our eye out for. And I believe it's all before the market opens, so we're going to know exactly what the market's going to do right on the open. And I'll tell you, this is a pretty strong move up from the past few days, so I would expect that there would be some profit taking, and this is what I feel happened here. There's a little profit taking before the inflationary news, and I think you'll have some more tomorrow. And then next week, we got the Fed. So next week should be interesting. Hopefully, they don't come out with any surprises and let everybody have a good Christmas. But I mean, I really don't like calling this pattern a shooting star because the Stoji isn't really appropriate, but that's exactly how it behaved, like a shooting star. The momentum is rolling off, and we'll have to see what it does tomorrow. As far as the 60-minute goes on the S&P, there's actually a divergence right here. You can see you have this high here, and then this high on the momentum, and you have a higher high, and the momentum's fading off. And then to trigger the divergence, you have to break the low of 668, which we just did it. So it looks good, man. Would like to see something aggressive, maybe close that gap right there. Tomorrow. If you're trading options, that should get you some premium in the options when you get down to the gap. If you're trading spreads or credit spreads or debit spreads or whatever you're trading. But yeah, I like the way the market's performing. I mean, a 33-point day down, that's not a bad day. It's not too dramatic. I can't stand those 100-point swings and those 90-point down days. I mean, they're excellent to trade, but as far as income trades, they're just atrocious. Let's take a quick look at the 10-year. It's interesting that the 10-year didn't move up more aggressively, but I think I would like to see it make this high here, which is still trending down. We're looking for a higher low. Once it makes a higher low, we know it's going to get ready to make a higher high, or at least it'll go into consolidation. But I think it's going to be a trend reversal. So that's what I'm keeping my eye open for. And the VIX, wasn't too aggressive, which is good. There's comfort there. Did a little gap close, and I mean, we could call this a bear flag. It's a good strong move down. Could be a bear flag and a move down. If we start dropping, the VIX might go up to close this gap over here, but this looks like a good bear flag, and I think tomorrow we'll see that VIX move down some more, although we'll get a bit of sell-off. So I don't see any exhaustion, really, in the move to come. $60 minutes rather bullish. So we might get a spike in the VIX tomorrow. That's all I really want to look at today. If anybody wants me to check anything out, just let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to do it. You can shoot me an email. Actually, I think my friend Tommy tried to get a hold of me, but I haven't really been attending to that channel either, that phone number. So if you want to know something, just leave it in the comments, and I'm happy to look at some securities for you. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we're up and running. Normally we stream, but I haven't really been able to get satisfactory internet access. So it's just frustrating. So I figured I'll lay off until I can get something going that's a little more accommodative. Hopefully, Musk gets moving on that, launches a few more satellites, and um, makes it possible. If not, hey, at the very least, I'll be in the mountains in April, and I'll have better internet access up there. So anyway, just remember, control your risk. It's about risk management. Get your setups right. Stay calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.